Hello everyone, today we're going to make a very quick and simple recipe which is French toast. You need only few ingredients for this and it doesn't take more than 10 minutes to make. Here I have taken white milk bread, regular bread. I have here 8 pieces. You can take any sort of bread, multigrain, wheat, whole wheat, any bread that you like, you can use that. I've taken here 4 eggs, and then you need ground cinnamon, a few pinches of ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg powder, and then vanilla essence, few drops. Here I also have light brown sugar. Regular sugar is also okay if you have it, and then whole milk. So we have decorated here the French toast with some powdered sugar and some apple and banana pieces, and on the top you can add some syrup to make it even more richer. Bella is adding the syrup right now. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you all like this recipe. Hope you all going to try this. Leave your comments and suggestions. See you with a brand new recipe next time. Thank you.